Hello everyone. In this lecture we will learn about the stages of stock market. There are four trend stages in which the stock market go through. These stages can tell us whether to long, short or wait for any position. These stages can be seen in all time frames whether it is a monthly, weekly, daily or an hourly chart. A trend starts with stage 1, that is a consolidation phase, and then stage 2 is an uptrend phase. Stage 3 is also a consolidation phase. Then we get a stage 4, that is the downtrend phase. Stage 1 is signified at the end of downtrend and at the beginning of the uptrend. After a consistent decline, market finds a bottom and market moves sideways for some period. Here market consolidates and the smart money starts to accumulate positions. Therefore, it is known as the accumulation phase. The price movement during this phase is slow. This stage can be a good point to enter when we get a positive divergence on momentum indicators and breakouts of reversal pattern. We will learn about divergence and chart patterns later in this course. If this range is tradable, one can take advantage of such range. Then stage 2 signifies the breakout of the market. Here we are getting a breakout from this stage 1 and then it is taking support on this stage and this is the beginning of the uptrend. Stage 2 is the most attractive stage of stock market and the majority of the money is made in this stage. The slope of this stage is upwards, so it is known as the uptrend and it is the public participation phase. Generally, we get a breakout in upside from stage 1 with heavy volume, which confirms the strong uptrend. More and more investors join the trend and drive prices higher. The longer the uptrend lasts, the more investors enter the market. After stage 2, stage 3 is here and that is also a consolidation phase. In this stage, market ends its great bull run and again starts consolidating or slowly drifts downward. This stage is very similar but opposite to stage 1. Here buyers and sellers move in equilibrium and this is a period to get ready for the next stage. This stage is a consolidation phase after an uptrend. It can be an accumulation phase or a distribution phase. If we get a breakout in downside and we get a negative divergence from momentum indicator, then it is a distribution phase, and if we get a breakout in upward direction, then it is a accumulation phase again. The informed investors now enter a new short position if we get a negative divergence and breakout of reversal patterns. Stage 4 is the downtrend stage. At this stage, market breaks down from the consolidation phase and starts trending downward. We get a series of lower lows and lower highs and the stage continues till the starting of the accumulation phase. Here again we are getting a consolidation phase. Now we are getting a breakout in upward direction, so it is the accumulation phase and the uptrend starts from here. Sometimes at the end of stage 2, we often see an excess phase where the trend accelerates even further. Here euphoria enters the market and uninformed buyers enters the market. But at this phase, smart money starts to unwind the positions because smart investors always know that it is the signal of reversal. This is the most volatile and dangerous stage, and a trader should always be aware of the warning signals of this phase. Generally, we get a gap at the end of this excess phase and it can be an early signal of next stage that usually happens very sharp with heavy volume, and that is the exhaustion phase. This is the example of Tata Motors and this is the daily chart of Tata Motor. Here we can see the stock is in accumulation phase. Here it is moving in a range and we get a breakout in upside, so it is an accumulation phase. Then uptrend starts. This is an uptrend. This is the stage 2 and we get here an excess phase as prices move sharply in this stage. So here we are getting an early signal of reversal that is very sharp. Then this is the sharp reversal that is an exhaustion phase. Now stock reaches the next stage, that is the consolidation phase. And when we get a breakout in downside from this consolidation phase, then this is a distribution phase and it is a starting of downtrend, that is the stage 4. This is the downtrend stage. Again, this is the consolidation phase and we get a breakout from this phase in upper side. This is the accumulation phase. Now we are getting a new phase, that is the uptrend, that is a stage 2. This is example of ICICI Bank. This is the downtrend stage 4 and stock is moving in a consolidation phase. This is the accumulation phase stage 1. Then we get a breakout. This is the stage 2 uptrend stage. Here we get a excess stage, then it is the reversal, and this is the consolidation phase. Here the stock is moving in consolidation phase and this is the distribution phase. We get a breakout here and this is the stage 4, that is the downtrend stage. Generally in stage 1 we should stay in cash. In stage 2, this is the uptrend stage, we should focus only on long positions. In stage 3, that is also a consolidation phase, we should be in cash, and in stage 4 we should focus only on short position as it is a downtrend stage. How to trade all these 4 stages, that we will learn in the upcoming lectures, so stay tuned for more lectures. Thanks for watching.